How much does it cost to replace a bumper if you've just been in a collision or have scratched up the front of your car? You need to consider about getting it mended as soon as possible. The most useful parts of a vehicle are its front and rear bumpers. Bumpers are made to absorb impact and protect other parts of the vehicle from major collisions. There is a lot of risk involved in this task. Behind bumpers, there are other parts that are susceptible to damage. So, let's learn about the cost to replace a bumper. Using insurance, do you decide to replace or repair your bumper using your insurance or pay for it yourself? In order to determine the answer to this query, what is your deductible? Minor damage to your bumper might not be covered by your insurance deductible. You might decide to cover the cost of the damage's repair personally. You can prevent an insurance claim by doing this, which could lower your premiums. Are you to blame? Almost all crashes with other cars cost a lot to repair and replace. If you are at fault, look over your insurance policy to see what your choices are. Your car and any other party's car are both covered under collision coverage. If you don't have collision insurance, any repairs are your responsibility. If you are not at fault, you can speak with the other driver's insurance company to get the bumper fixed or replaced. In order to ensure that your damage is repaired as fast and painlessly as possible, an auto body shop can coordinate repairs with all parties involved. The vehicle's make or model, the kind of car you drive greatly affects how much you will pay. It can be much simpler for the store to obtain a replacement bumper if you drive a well-known vehicle. Luxury models and rare or sporty automobiles frequently have more expensive parts. The cost of these luxury models is further increased by the potential need for a specialized technician. You must consider not only how tough it is to obtain the bumper but also how much effort is necessary to guarantee the paint matches. This is another matter that the auto body shop must handle if the bumper is not already painted. The kind of damage you must consider not only how tough it is to obtain the bumper but also how much effort is necessary to guarantee the paint matches. This is another matter that the auto body shop must handle if the bumper is not already painted. Depending on whether a repair will be successful or you need a replacement, you could be looking at a significant price difference. The expectation is that a fix will be sufficient. Most scuffs, light scratches, and tiny flaws can be fixed by selecting a repair technique. Insurance: you might be able to get the cost of the repair or replacement covered by your insurance, depending on the type of coverage you have. Insurance companies may cover the cost of the repair if an accident damaged the bumper. However, collision insurance is necessary to cover the costs if you were at fault for the collision. In order to pay for the repair, you will also require a specific sort of coverage if the bumper damage was brought on by vandalism. To find out what is and isn't covered by your insurance, it is best to call them. Even if your insurance covers the cost of the repair or replacement, you are still liable for any agreed upon deductible. This cost might, in some circumstances, exceed the cost of the actual repair. When you can afford the repair on your own in this situation, you wouldn't want to make a claim, which could raise your future costs. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.